Is the future of Italian supercar royalty here? You're about to find out. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's got the entire automotive world buzzing. The highly anticipated 2026 Maserati MCPura. This isn't just another car. It's a statement, a revolution, and a glimpse into Maserati's electrifying future. Remember the MC20? Well, forget everything you thought you knew, because the MCPura is set to blow it out of the water. We're talking about a design that's both breathtakingly modern and undeniably Maserati. It's a performance that will leave you speechless, and technology that's so cutting-edge it feels like science fiction. From what the spy shots are telling us so far, Maserati is keen on retaining that sharp Italian styling we all know and love. We can expect design cues that take cues from the current generation MC20, but evolve them with more modern elements. The expectation is that the sleek lines of the MC20 will be smoothed out slightly to present an even more elegant silhouette. Think more curves, more sculpted panels, and an emphasis on flow. Let's talk about the engine. The rumor mill is going wild with speculation, and honestly, I'm loving it. While the official details are still under wraps, word on the street is we can anticipate a hybrid powertrain. Yes, you heard that right. Maserati is embracing the electric revolution, and the MCPura is proof. Imagine a twin-turbo V6, possibly even a V8. Paired with a powerful electric motor delivering insane horsepower and torque, we're talking about acceleration that will pin you to your seat and a top speed that will make your head spin. But it's not just about raw power. The hybrid system will also provide instant torque, improved fuel efficiency, and a quieter driving experience in certain modes. That's not to say it won't roar when you put your foot down. Expect a symphony of Italian engineering to be a signature of the MCPura. It is a Maserati after all. Maserati has really proven they can make stunning cars with modern hybrid powertrains with the Gran Turismo, Folgore, and Greco Folgore. So expect that level of expertise to be present here as well. Now, let's get into the tech. We're talking about a completely redesigned interior with a focus on